Promoting the spirit of self-reliance. Prime Minister gets progress report on Mount Russell bypass and physical education and sport included in CAPE electives. With this week's Jamaica House Weekly, I am Samantha Allen.
Let us demonstrate that spirit of self-reliance which resides in each and every one of us. Let us go and work on projects in our communities.
Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller urging Jamaicans to get involved in Labor Day projects last Friday. In a message to the nation, Mrs. Simpson Miller said Labor Day highlighted the importance of labor in building a nation and transforming a society.
Jamaica's beauty is our duty. Let us give our labor of love. Let us build Jamaica. Help repair the homes of our seniors who might need our assistance. Beautify and improve a school, church, or children's home. Let us make our communities beautiful.
Earlier in the week, Mrs. Simpson Miller got an update on the Mount Russell bypass, which is now 80% complete. The progress report was given as the Prime Minister toured the north-south leg of Highway 2000. She was assured that work was progressing smoothly and that the road would be ready for use by August 6. Mrs. Simpson Miller welcomed the news.
I'm quite satisfied with what I saw earlier, and I'm looking forward to August when I'll come to join you to declare this section open. And I believe that when this is completed, then Jamaica in this section will look like any first world country in the world.
On the weekend, Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller left the island for the U.S. state of Pennsylvania, where she delivered the keynote address at Lafayette College's 79th commencement ceremony. Mrs. Simpson Miller also received an honorary Doctor of Public Service degree from the Liberal Arts School. And in recognition of the Prime Minister's visit, the college established a scholarship fund to enroll students from Jamaica. The scholarships will cover the full financial needs of the recipients for 4 years, in addition to a stipend for overseas study experience. Physical education and sport has been added to the lineup of Caribbean Advanced Proficiency Examinations CAPE subjects. And Minister with responsibility for sport, Natalie Nita Headley, says she hopes this will help cement Jamaica as a major player in sport.
This new generation of CAPE subjects will likely create a healthier Jamaica, a healthier region, reduce the nation's health costs, promote a more peaceful society, reduce stress levels, create a greater pool of athletes from which to select our national teams, provide increasing opportunities for economic development, and promote the development of a new generation of professionals in the era of sport business. I see no downside.
The new subjects are agricultural science, entrepreneurship, performing arts, tourism, and physical education and sport. They will be rolled out for the 2014-2015 school year in September. Government has praised the island's intercollegiate sporting system for its contribution to youth athletes. The minister responsible for sport conveyed those sentiments at the recently held Jamaica Intercollegiate Sports Association annual awards ceremony.
You are preparing our athletes to deal with much of what will come with their success and what will come after they have retired from active competition. You are giving our athletes opportunities to become more media savvy. You are teaching them how to invest and what to demand from their management. That is a big, big deal.
And that's it for this week's Jamaica House Weekly. I am Samantha Allen.